How to remove my Instagram account from other devices. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can remove your Instagram account from other devices, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to remove your Instagram account from other devices, go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Instagram application here. Then just tap the profile icon from the bottom right, tap the three lines option from the top right in order to come to settings. Then go to the option again known as Account Center and then tap on it. Once you come to the option known as Account Center, the very first way you can remove someone from your Instagram account is by simply changing your password. So go to Password and Security, tap the Change Password option, select your Instagram account and change your password. Everybody who is logged into your Instagram account will get automatically logged out once you change your password. But if you want to view the devices manually, look for the option known as Where You Are Logged In and then tap on it. Under Where You Are Logged In, you will be able to see a list of all the devices where your Instagram account is logged in. So you can select a particular device that maybe you don't recognize for some reason, tap the logout option, tap on logout, and that device will get successfully logged out. This way you can remove Instagram account from other devices. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.